Once upon a time, in a quiet village, there lived a boy named Timo who loved to draw. He had no paints, only an old pencil. One day, he found a shiny paintbrush under a tree. Curious, he took it home. Timo dipped the brush into water, and to his surprise, colors appeared. He painted a bird on his wall, and it came to life, flying around the room. Excited, he painted a swing in the garden, and it became real. Timo shared his magic with the villagers. He painted toys for children and food for the poor. But a greedy king heard about it and demanded the brush. Timo refused. One night, the king stole it. But when he painted gold, nothing happened. The brush only worked for kind hearts. Timo eventually got his brush back with the help of his magical bird. From then on, he used it wisely, only to spread happiness. Lily and the Talking Tree. Lily loved exploring the forest near her home. One morning, she found a huge tree with a golden trunk. When she touched it, the tree spoke. "Hello, kind one," said the tree. "I've been asleep for 100 years. Only someone pure of heart could wake me." Lily visited every day, listening to stories from the tree about ancient times. In return, she brought the tree water and sang songs to it. One day, the forest started to fade, the animals were leaving, and the plants were dying. The tree told Lily that the forest's magic was vanishing. To restore it, Lily had to plant a special golden seed deep in the woods. Bravely, Lily journeyed with forest animals guiding her. She planted the seed, and the forest bloomed with colors brighter than ever before. The talking tree smiled. "You are the forest guardian now, Lily." A young girl placing a glowing golden seed in a vibrant forest, surrounded by friendly animals and a wise, smiling tree. San, the cloud who wanted to dance. In the sky, there lived a small cloud named Puffy. Puffy wasn't like other clouds. She didn't want to rain or float quietly. He wanted to dance. The other clouds laughed. "Clouds don't dance," they said. But Puffy twirled, spun, and even flipped. He made funny shapes and sparkled with sunlight. People below saw him and smiled. Soon, more clouds joined him. They formed shapes of dragons, flowers, and hearts. Puffy became famous as the dancing cloud who made the sky fun. Even the grumpy thunderclouds started swaying a little. Puffy proved that it's okay to be different and that joy is meant to be shared.